Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So of course I've got the gestures applied right now, but I'd like to show you where you can find proper information, proper options and how to use the gestures. So let's enter the settings. In the settings, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system management, and at the top we've got system navigation. So let's pretend you've got the 3-button navigation. Here you've got the gestures. As you can see, you can also customize the 3 buttons navigation, so you can reorder back button and the recents, and you can also change the icon style. So for example, you can replace the 3 bars navigation with a 3 bars icon with the square icon. It's totally up to you. So to set the gestures, simply tap on this gesture navigation option, and instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. If you want to, you can hide it. And here you've got also the customization, like you can swipe horizontally to switch between apps, etc. It's totally up to you. Here you've got the tutorial, however, I will also show you how to use the gestures. You've got also the animation. So to get back to the previous page, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.